guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things mundane and makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have the Ipsy original for April. So if you want to see what I got in my variation of the bag and hear all of my thoughts and opinions, let's get right on into it. If you don't know anything about this, it is $16 a month now, plus a $1.99 handling fee for 5 sample-sized beauty items guaranteed. You do get to make one choice product on the 20-something of the month, because that changes every month, but it's around the 20th. You always get a bag. This is what the bag looks like for April. We got a little pearl. It's fine. I'm not gonna keep this bag, but it's a fine bag, and then it's like a white on the inside. You do always get a card, which tells us some details, like the theme for April, which is Dare to Daydream. This month, see yourself in a dreamy new way with ultra feminine romantic beauty that brings out your soft side. The inside goes over all of our products, but I have that over here to my left. And then we have a sneak peek for some products that we will hopefully see in next month's bag. So we have the SL Miss Glam Gingham Face Brush. I don't know if I like the shape of that brush. I normally really like SL Miss Glam brushes, but I just don't know what I would use that shape of brush for. Personally, like, it's not big enough or dense enough for really anything that I would use powder-wise, and it doesn't look like a good cream brush either. So it's not a brush I would use. We have the e.l.f. Skin Holy Hydration Clean Freak Daily Cleanser. That looks like a full size, and I actually just finished mine up. I had this, it smells like jelly beans, so if you don't like a super scented cleanser, you're not gonna enjoy this, but it's a very gentle cleanser. It bubbles up just a little bit, and it's really nice. I actually really enjoyed it, so I wouldn't be mad at getting that again, to be completely honest with you. And then we have the Ace Beauté Drama Beam Highliner in Glit Moment. If this comes in different shades, I would want it, but this shade in particular looks way too dark for me as a highlighter. So out of these 3 products in particular, I'd want the cleanser, which is wild for me because I don't do skincare like that. So the first item that we're going to talk about is actually outside of my bag. Always check your bag for products that didn't make it in your bag. And this is from Dr. Jart. This is the Ceramidin Moisturizing Sheet Mask. Yeah, it's a single-use sheet mask. This is full size. This mask by itself retails for $10 by itself. It's made with ceramides and panthenol, and it helps replenish hydration to support a stronger looking barrier. Skin feels more comfortable and looks smoother and bouncier for hours. I've used this mask before, the Ceramidin sheet mask. It's fine. Like, I'll use it. I think Dr. Jart is overpriced. Like, I would never spend $10 on a single sheet mask. I think sheet masks should be like $2 max. Like, it's fine. I think he has better masks than this line in particular also. So, it's fine. I'm not mad at it. I like sheet masks, so I have it in my profile that I do like getting sheet masks, because I do, and I only have 2 in my stash currently. So, I'm not mad, but I'm not excited about it. Then, let's see, what do we got in here? We have something I am excited about, but I don't know if the shade's gonna work. We're gonna swatch it in a second. This is from Mo Beauty, and this is the Long Wear Concealer in shade 1008. It's in the shade F1 Fair. It says sample, not for resale, but this is 3 mils, so this is the full-size concealer. And Ipsy says that this retails for $14, but when you go on Mo Beauty's website, it's listed for $8. for this amount of product for this size. So I don't know where that disconnect is, but let's see. What did the card say? Price-wise, full size $14. Okay. This creamy concealer helps blur the look of dark circles and imperfections while keeping skin looking smooth and natural. Blendable texture melts in easily, so it layers well over foundation or wears clean on bare skin. Vitamin E supports a comfortable finish that doesn't look dry or heavy. Okie dokie. So we got a slightly curved doe foot. Smells like makeup. Doesn't smell good, doesn't smell bad. The shade looks dark for F1 Fair. Well, no. It'll do. It's shiny. Very shiny. I'll have to try it out. See how I like it. I definitely didn't need a concealer. Oh, it feels thick. Blending that out feels so thick. That is wild. But all right. But I am excited because I love getting complexion products, especially in our bag. Now we have, this is from Bella Pierre. And this is the Precious 24 Karat Gold Purifying Milky Cleanser. So the full size of this is 150 mils for $86. Because Bella Pierre is expensive. This is 30 mils. This is still $17.10 for this size, which is wild. Lifts away daily buildup while keeping skin feeling calm and comfortable. Creamy formula rinses clean, leaving your face feeling soft, smooth, and refreshed, never tight. Made with 24 karat gold powder, plus nourishing vitamins, oils, and botanical extracts to support clean, renewed looking glow. So it says 24 karat gold, jojoba and sunflower oils, vitamins A, B, C, and E, and botanical extracts. Massage gently, rinse dry, use 1 to 2 times a day. Is it sealed? It is sealed, so I'm going to leave it sealed because I'm currently working. Well, my cleanser has like 1 use left in it. So let's open it and see, like, does it have a scent? Get off me. So it is a very milky. I don't smell anything. So this will be the cleanser I use next because I want to get these small guys out before I open my full size. And yeah, 1 ounce cleanser. Not too shabby. We'll see how I feel about 24 karat gold. We're going to leave my choice for last. We have the one item that I'm not keeping. This is going to go in my giveaway bin. But this is from Sexy Hair, and this is their Big Spray and Play Volumizing Hairspray. Do I look like I need hairspray? Even when I had long hair, I didn't use hairspray. Hairspray is just not a product I ever use. This is a travel size. This size in particular retails for $10. It's a finishing spray that does it all. Medium to high hold that lasts and volume that doesn't fall flat. Flake-free finish that works on fine, medium, and coarse hair alike. Bonus, it fights humidity so your style stays put longer. All sounds like really, really nice things, honestly. It's the aerosol can, but it's not a product I'm gonna use. It's not something Ian would use, so I'm gonna throw this in my giveaway drawer, which is what it is. And last, but certainly not least in our bag, we have my choice product, which is from Real Her. And I'm actually gonna throw up the photos to show you what the choice options were. I should have done that before revealing what my choice was, but it's fine. It's fine. So I'm going to show you what the choices were, could have been. So this was a choice option, the Dr. Jart Ceramide mask. We had the Tatcha Dewy Milk Moisturizer, which I wanted, but it was this big. It was this big, so no. We had the Misho Beauty eyeshadow palette, which was just some nudes. Didn't need that. We had the Totamika Beauty lip and cheek keychain. That just seemed gimmicky to me. I don't need a lip and cheek keychain. And then we had the We Are Paradox 3-in-1 thickening thing for your hair. So didn't need that. So I went with the Real Her lipstick. So this is in the shade Bold. It's in the shade Bold. This is a travel size, retails for $22. And this peachy pink lipstick glides on smoothly. That is how much you get. For a color that feels comfortable and not drying. Made with jojoba oil to help lock in moisture. Swipe once for everyday polish or build it up if you want more impact. So that's one swipe. So let's build it up. So yeah, that's building up the color. So I do like that. You can wear it more sheer or you can build it up for more color. I do like that. I think it's a pretty like corally peach color. It says peachy pink. I think it's perfect for spring, summer. I think that'll look nice. So yeah, I went with the lipstick. I thought it was a mini, so it's a travel size. So if we add up everything in my bag value comes out to $73.10, which is actually a really good bag value. And that is with calculating the concealer at Ipsy's price of $14, because that's what they're saying it costs, even though the Mo Beauty website says it costs $8. I don't know where that disconnect is, but we're going to go with Ipsy's price. That's fine. I'm not going to keep the bag, but that's neither here nor there. There's not a price on the bag, so that is fine. Let me zip that back up. And I'm not going to keep the Sexy Hair spray, but I am going to keep everything else and I'm going to use everything else. I'm going to try out the concealer, see if I like it. I'm going to try out the lipstick, see if I like it. I'm definitely going to use up this cleanser because unless I just absolutely hate it, I'm going to use it up. Like, very rarely for skincare do I like get rid of skincare. Like, even if I don't love it, I'll just still use it to use it up. Like, unless I'm having a skin reaction or something. And then, like, I've used this mask before, so I will eventually use that. I want to use my other two masks first because I've never used those and have used this. But I will eventually use that mask and get it all used up. But that is everything in my Ipsy original for the month of April. Let me know, are we bag twins? Did you choose the same product? Did we get the same things? Are you excited about your bag? I'd love to know all the things down below. Otherwise, that's going to do it for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.